Hi, my name is Paula Kent. I'm a patient safety specialist with the Johns Hopkins Armstrong Institute for Patient Safety and Quality. I'm excited to share that our TeamSTEPPS program is offered at least 3 times a year in a virtual space using Zoom, videos, Mentee.com, and activity-based learning. We have an amazing team of experienced trainers who will work to ensure that you are able to meet the course objectives at the completion of this great program. Teamwork failures contribute to a large portion of patient-related harm, up to twice the magnitude of harm due to technical mistakes or issues of clinical competence. Team training programs have demonstrated strong impact on teamwork and safety culture and can serve as a fundamental strategy for reducing patient harm. This course equips patient safety leaders with the skills to develop, implement, evaluate, and sustain team training programs in their facilities using TeamSTEPPS strategies and tools to enhance performance and patient safety. Please join us for this very important program in teamwork and communication.